The second important function of Parliament is to control, guide, and inform the government. Perhaps the most vital function of the Parliament is to ensure that the executive does not overstep its authority and remains responsible to the people. So, the Parliament is the highest forum of debate in the country, and members are free to speak on any matter without fear. The Parliament, while in session, begins with a question hour. The question hour is important because any MP can raise a question to elicit information from a minister regarding the working of the government. It's called question hour because the MPs can raise a question to the minister regarding the working of the government. Okay, the question may relate to an MP's constituency or general functioning of the government. As the ministers head different government departments, members can ask them questions about their respective departments. By asking questions, the government is reminded of its shortcomings and it is kept on its toes. The government also comes to know the opinion and concern of the people through their representatives. And it is very important for every a member of parliament to ask questions. The opposition parties highlight drawbacks in various policies and programs of the government. So, to control, guide, and inform the government is the very important function of Parliament. Now, questions are usually written down and given to the Secretary General of the House. The minister takes some time to get the desired information from the department. A member who desires an oral answer to the question is required to mark it with a star. Such questions are known as the starred questions. Okay? Some questions without stars are also asked. These are meant for written answer and they are called unstarred questions. Okay? So this is the differences between starred and unstarred questions. Now, there are other ways also in which members can keep control over the government. Some of these are calling attention notice, adjournment motion, etc. In these cases, members can request the speaker to have a pointed discussion on a particular issue. The most important motion is called no confidence motion. That means the parties may move a motion that the Lok Sabha does not have confidence in the Council of the Ministers. As well as if the majority in the House votes against the motion, the Council of Ministers continues to be in power. However, if the majority votes for the motion, the Council of Ministers has to be resigned. Okay. Now, let's discuss about the next very important function of Parliament, and it is law making. The Parliament makes laws for the entire country and it is the primary function of the Parliament. Okay. Now, in my next class, I will teach you all about who are the people in the Parliament. Okay. Thank you.